Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to find your USDT wallet address on Binance and you are wondering how to do so in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just get started. You can start by opening up Binance application on your device first, and once you are logged in, you can easily find a section called deposit in the top right corner. You may go ahead and tap on it, or if you do not find that option, you can look out for the wallet option in the bottom right corner and tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you will be finding different options. What you need to do is you need to head over and go to the funding section. So you have overview, spot, funding under exchange. Head over to funding and tap on it. And when you go over there, you'll be finding section for deposit. Now just go ahead and tap on deposit and start the process. Here you can just go ahead and search for USDT directly in the search bar at the top. So type in USDT, and once you do, you should be finding USDT on your screen. Now all you gotta do is from here, once you find USDT, go ahead and tap on it. And from there, you may just go over and select the network of which you want to find the wallet address. So go over and find it up. And once you do so, you can just go ahead and tap on one of the network. And once you do, for example, BNB Smart Chain, there you will be finding the deposit address, or let's say the wallet address that you may be looking for on your Binance. So this is the wallet address you are looking for. You can just go and copy and paste it, share it with your friends with whom you are trying to share your USDT wallet address, and that's it. So therefore, that is it, everybody. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.